Hello guys, how you doing? How you doing? This is Master Kelvin FX, Eldorado FX as usual, trying to bring to you the best analysis possible. As you know, we are sponsored by PU Prime Advantage FX. This is analyzing with Eldorado FX, and also, guys, for you to know, this is not financial advice of any kind. This is just our idea, what we think is going to happen in the market, and what we think is going to develop in the market. Okay, guys. So this is gold now, and as we see, we're still on a sideways market, on a ranging market. So as you can see, the ups and downs, and we haven't have any breakout. So for now, this is a zone that I would like to buy from. So I have two buying areas at the moment. So just to try buys, I believe Asia is gonna try to push up the price, but I don't think it's gonna get out of the consolidation zone. Let's see. Let's have a look what's gonna happen. But for now, my suggestion is if a price retest, go and buy in 2626 to 2605. But the entry idea for this first setup is 2624 and TP 2620 and 38, 2650, 2690, 2720, and 2619. But remember, tomorrow is NFP. We also need to wait for the data. This is just technical analysis. Fundamentals is something else, guys. So you just want to clarify that. So this is technical analysis. We see the support that we have at the moment. We see the demand area, which is really massive, but we want to be real. So the data can be powerful, as you know, when we have high volatility news, especially when we have NFP, we need to be very careful. That is very important. So the second buy setup will be between the sensor that we given 2626 to 2605. The entry will be at 3605. 2624 will be the TP, 2640, 2690, 2700, and 2599. Actually, 2720 here, actually. Let me update it. So that's fine. So that's the TPs. Also, we have a sell zone just thinking about the price that is not, it hasn't been able to push over 60. So it's a lot of liquidity right here as well. But we have an entry thinking about that. But just be careful, check for confirmations. You know, if you entering news, it's totally different. So guys, be careful. But the sell zone will be between 2648 and 2653. And then the entry will be at 2652, trying to get a TP at 2640, 22, 80, and 550 in the end as SL 2658. So this is the ideas that we have, different scenarios. You can see now, if we go break the trend line, for me would be an indication that definitely it can go down very drastically. Or also if he, especially if it breaks 2605 and 2600, that would be a different story. So we need to be careful with that. So remember, if you need signals, if you want signals, just come and join our VIP, and then we can help you with that. So all the best in gold. This is all I have for gold. Tomorrow is not very predictable day. It's Friday, and also NFP, and also all the news. So we need to be very alert. Okay. So now we have Bitcoin as usual. So Bitcoin was basically Bitcoin is difficult, guy, to predict because it's a 24/7 hour markets. So it's always open. So it's difficult to establish which zone is basically going to work out tomorrow. For now, as you can see, it wick down and then probably it's going to keep pushing up. But it's not much I can do in this case because we don't see a proper breakout. So, but I'm going to be real with you. So we're going to try to establish it, going to higher time frame to see if we can see that, but we have a lot of wicks here. So but this will be the only zone that we might, if you get there again, you can try a buy from here. So this would be my only suggestion. I'm not gonna suggest any setup because Bitcoin is too volatile, and at the moment he want to go and push higher of the 100,000 now that I break that mark. Okay, so now it's 100,003. So that will be the area. So for now, without counting the wicks, this could also could be a good retest area to try to probably buy Bitcoin around here. Okay, so not counting the big wicks down there, but this is remember yesterday we suggest was basically the focus to target 1,000 to 100,000. So it did happen in the end, but this is only, I think that would be the two areas that I will be checking, probably confirmations to go into Bitcoin. So check in this area and see if we can it can keep going up. Okay, so and then tackle again the all-time the new all-time high, or at least this closing price here. Okay, so this is 96,000 94,678 and 91,942, 90,765. That would be 2 years for Bitcoin to check. So hopefully, guys, you can find entry. But my only suggestion is to keep looking for key areas to buy Bitcoin, because it looks like it's not going to stop anytime soon. It's in a really rally going upward. So you need to go into the move. All right, guys. All the best. Have a nice weekend. Amazing FP tomorrow. So here we are. If you need us, Eldorado Effects, Master Kelvin Effects, always here for you. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.